Hello and welcome to this new video on how much karma to post on Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser. In top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Reddit and press enter. And the search result will be shown and you just have to open the Reddit. So I'll just go to the home page of Reddit and this is the home page. And in the top right corner, there is a create button. You just have to click on here, and in this section you will be able to create a post, and you can add text, image or links, and you can just go back. I'll just show you. And when the post is made, below the post there is upvote and downvote button, and if you get more upvote, then your karma points will increase. So you just have to choose a nice videos and nice niche, and you just need to post that in a certain subreddit that has high engagement, and due to the engagement is high, you will just post some nice Reddit posts and you will get more and more upvote, and if you get more upvote, then your karma point will increase. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.